Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Disposable K Cup Filters is probably one of the most convenient ways to enjoy your favorite coffee without the hassle of cleaning reusable pods, offering a quick and easy solution for single-serve coffee lovers who prioritize speed and simplicity in their morning routine, ensuring a fresh brew every time with minimal effort, making them an indispensable accessory for any Keurig machine owner seeking ultimate convenience and a consistently delicious cup of coffee. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement, 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with nearly all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. Our filters feature a micromesh material that keeps the charcoal securely inside. This prevents any clogging, ensuring a smooth brewing process every time. Experience the best tasting coffee right at home. These activated charcoal filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors for a superior flavor. We are committed to sustainability. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging to reduce waste, and each one is individually sealed for freshness. We believe these are the most effective filters available. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is ready to assist you. What we like? These filters offer a perfect fit for a wide range of Keurig machines, ensuring compatibility with both older and newer models. They are designed to remove impurities and odors, resulting in a better tasting cup of coffee. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that works with almost any Keurig you might have, these are a great choice. What people say. These filters are a great alternative to the plastic pods, allowing you to use your own coffee grounds. The filters are easy to use and clean, making the brewing process convenient. They fit perfectly in my Keurig machine and produce a good cup of coffee. Number 4. CAPMESSO Disposable Coffee Paper Filters for Keurig. Enjoy your daily coffee with our planet-safe paper filters. Made from bleach-free, recyclable material, they reduce environmental impact and water waste without any chemical residue. Crafted from thinner, textured paper, these filters hold their shape for optimal flow. They won't tear easily, ensuring a perfect brew without compromising the environment. Brewing your morning coffee is now more efficient. Simply insert, fill, and brew. Discard the filter when finished for a quick and easy cleanup, saving you time. Experience a superior taste with our premium filters. They effectively trap grounds and oils, delivering a smoother, less bitter coffee flavor without any sediment. Designed to work with most Keurig reusable K-Cups for single-serve coffee makers. Enjoy the convenience of a perfect fit for your favorite brewing system. Ensure you're getting the authentic product with U.S. patent number 10,865,039. Our filters are exclusively sold on Amazon for guaranteed quality and performance. What we like? These disposable paper filters are made from bleach-free material, making them a planet-safe option. They are designed for easy use and cleanup, allowing you to enjoy multiple cups without washing your reusable pod between brews. If you prioritize environmental impact and a quick, hassle-free coffee routine, these filters are ideal for you. What people say. These filters are unbleached, which I love and help me save money by refilling my cup reusable pod. A bag of ground coffee takes my cost down to under 50 cents a cup of my favorite coffee. These are perfect. No worrying about coffee grounds clogging up the drain. After brewing, just toss them, rinse out the reusable pod, and all is wonderful. The paper filter keeps the grounds in the single cup coffee holder and really makes cleanup so easy by just pulling out the paper, disposable and compostable filter. The filter also makes the coffee taste better. These unbleached paper filters are strong, do not tear through, but are permeable to let the coffee filter through efficiently. Number 3. Keurig K Cup Paper Filters, 300. Enjoy your coffee brewed with our natural, unbleached paper filters. They are strong and resistant to tearing, even under hot water pressure. Experience a perfect cup of coffee with a silky smooth and rich taste. These filters effectively remove grounds and coffee oils for a healthier brew. Our disposable filters are designed to fit most short, reusable K-Cup pods for Keurig brewers, including 1.0 and 2.0 models. Using our filters means no mess and no fuss. Simply remove and toss the used filter for easy cleanup of your reusable K-Cups. These filters are eco-friendly, recyclable, and made from 100% biodegradable material. They are safe to use with no chemical residue. What we like? Crafted from natural, unbleached paper, these filters are strong and resistant to tearing. They effectively filter out coffee grounds and oils, delivering a silky and rich taste while helping to reduce cholesterol intake. If you desire a healthier, smoother cup of coffee and want a filter that fits virtually all reusable K-cups, these are an excellent option. What people say. These filters are great for keeping coffee grounds out of your cup. They fit perfectly in my Keurig machine and are easy to use. I love that I can use my own coffee grounds with these filters, saving money and reducing waste. Number 2. CASABREWS Cask 02 Reusable K Cup Filters. Discover the CASABREWS Cask 02, the perfect reusable K-cup filter for your Keurig 1.0 brewer. Enjoy your favorite coffee with a sustainable solution. Designed specifically for Keurig 1.0 models, including popular choices like K Classic and K Elite. Please check our compatibility guide to ensure a perfect fit for your machine. Make a difference with our durable stainless steel filters. Reduce plastic waste and save money by ditching disposable pods for good. Experience the full taste of your coffee. Our unique 360 degrees perforated design ensures optimal water flow for a richer, more flavorful brew every time. Filling and cleaning are a breeze with its one-piece design and tight sealing lid. Simply fill, brew, discard, and rinse. It's even dishwasher safe. Choose sustainability and superior taste. This is the smart way to enjoy your daily coffee, brew after brew. What we like. This is a reusable stainless steel filter, designed to be eco-friendly and cost-saving by eliminating the need for disposable pods. Its 360 degrees perforated design ensures even water flow for optimal flavor extraction. If you're looking to reduce waste, save money in the long run, and enjoy the full flavor of your coffee, this is the perfect sustainable choice. What people say. These filters are a perfect fit for my Keurig machine and allow me to use my own ground coffee. The paper is sturdy and doesn't tear easily, even when filled with coffee grounds. They are easy to use and clean up is a breeze, just toss the used grounds and filter. Number 1. Disposable paper coffee filters, 1200 count. Tired of messy cleanup after your morning coffee? These disposable filters make brewing your favorite single-serve coffee a breeze. Simply fill, brew, and toss for a perfect cup every time. Designed to work seamlessly with Keurig, K-cup machines, and other single-serve brewers. You can finally use your own favorite coffee grounds in your reusable pods. Take control of your coffee experience. These filters allow you to use any coffee you like, in your own pods, for a personalized brew. Whether you use Solo Fill, Easy Cup, My K-Cup, Eco Brew, Simple Cups, or Disposable Cups, these filters are designed to fit. Enjoy the convenience across multiple brands. With a generous count of 1,200 filters, you'll have plenty for months of delicious coffee. It's the perfect solution for busy mornings and coffee lovers alike. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These filters are a practical and appreciated present for anyone who enjoys single-serve coffee. Give the gift of convenience and great taste. What we like. With a massive count of 1,200 filters, this option is perfect for heavy coffee drinkers or households. They are designed to work with your own coffee grounds and are compatible with a wide variety of reusable K-cup brands and single-serve brewers. If you want to use your favorite coffee in your Keurig and stock up for a long time, this bulk pack is the way to go. What people say. These filters are a perfect fit for my Keurig machine, making it easy to use my own coffee grounds. The paper is sturdy and doesn't tear easily, even when filled with coffee and hot water. Cleanup is a breeze. I just lift the filter out and discard the grounds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.